FO3? FO9? Getting confused by dryer error codes? What if your dryer doesn't have a digital display? How can you tell what error codes it's displaying? Well, come with me for a couple of minutes while I explain all. So the only way modern appliances can tell you something is wrong is by presenting you with an error code. Now, error codes are very manufacturer and model specific. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how you can identify error codes for Indesit and Hotpoint dryers only. If you want help with a specific error code, then visit the Hotpoint or Indesit service YouTube channels or click on any of the links that appear at the top of the screen during this video. Before I start though, if you need assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint dryer error code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint dryer errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. So how do you know what error code is actually being displayed? Well, on dryers with a digital display, you can easily see it in plain sight, in this case F03, but on dryers without a digital display, they can only show you through a series of lights. So if your appliance doesn't have a display, simply match up your flashing lights with the ones on the website to work out which error codes you have. So there you go, that's how you read error codes on a Hotpoint dryer. And remember, there are specific videos for specific error codes that you can find on the Hotpoint service YouTube channel. But if you want to book your local engineer or live chat with one of our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.